How does a human being begin? For centuries, people debated this question, but more than 1,400 years ago, the Quran described stages of human development inside the womb, stages that modern science would only understand much later. Allah says in the Quran, "We created man from an extract of clay. Then we placed him as a drop of fluid in a secure place. Then we made the drop into a clinging substance. Then we made the clinging substance into a lump. Then we made the lump into bones, and we clothed the bones with flesh." This passage describes distinct stages of development inside the womb. The Quran first describes the human origin as a nutfah, a small drop of fluid. Today we know that human life begins from the union of reproductive cells, forming the first stage of development, a tiny beginning for every human life. The Quran then uses the word alaka. This word has several meanings in Arabic: something that clings, something attached, or even something leech-like in form. Modern embryology shows that the embryo attaches itself to the wall of the uterus, where it begins receiving nourishment from the mother. The Quran then describes the stage of a mudga, a small lump. As the embryo develops, it begins forming structures that eventually become bones and muscles. Development happens gradually, stage by stage. For Muslims, these verses are not presented as a biology lesson. They are signs, reminders of the remarkable process of human creation. From a tiny beginning to a fully formed human being, every human life begins unseen, hidden in the womb. Yet the Quran described this process centuries before modern embryology. For those who reflect, even our own beginnings become a reminder of the Creator. This is Nerd Talks.